What's up, guys? I'm with Shawn today. What are we doing today?
We're gonna install the drive shaft. We're gonna struggle getting it up and getting underneath it, but we're gonna manage it. So.
Yep. Let's go, guys.
Underneath that little sway bar?
I think it works.
There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
This is so scary. My boobies are touching it.
Do you want to get the camera and show under there?
Yes.
Is it on? Okay, shit. Can't get under. Oh. Oh my god, look at all the chassis rusting over there. That has to be welded.
You shouldn't show anybody that.
Why shouldn't I?
You'll never sell it.
I don't plan on selling it anyway. Right.
Alright, so Maddie,
Oh!
this shaft is gonna go straight.
Yes, and then right in here, right?
This goes inside that, and then the bolts bolt into that.
Yeah, okay, I thought so. Alright. Okay, oh man, this is sketchy. It's gonna fall right in my head.
Do you want me to take that now?
Oh yeah. Hello! Hey, come get me! Come get me!
Please don't drop it. Oh, literally.
Is she recording?
Yes.
And if it's not going in, you just have to try and twist and turn. There we go. Alright, so you're in on this side. Now we just gotta get the bolts in on that side. Do you know what size those bolts are, man?
Let's say about maybe like a 14, I'm gonna guess.
Maybe a 10?
No, a 14, not a 10. I need a 10.
Okay.
Well, I don't, a 12.
You want to meet in the middle?
Yeah. Trying to get these bolts out.
I'm dedicated.
You're dedicated? I'm dedicated.
Here's the one you wanted, the 14. Try it out.
Was I right? Let's see. I was indeed. Perfect fit.
Yeah, sweet.
Yeah.
Good call, man.
Wow. You're so smart.
I know.
She's
I'm
so
gonna make
smucking
it
fat.
places.
Let me go get you a ratchet, too.
You're going places.
Yeah, I know. Because I have nothing going for my life, right? Fucking dickhead. Look at me now.
Can you get it lined up? There you go. We just gotta get the diff to spin, so we can line up the bolts.
Okay.
So we gotta get that jack over here on the rear end so that we can spin the tires. So guys, had to walk the drive shaft in. It's a nice snug fit, which isn't bad. So now just gonna lift it up. We can spin the tires, line up the bolts. We'll get Maddie to bolt it in and put our support gear on, and then the drive shaft is installed. I'm gonna get you lined up, Maddie, so just tuck it underneath. Keep going. Alright, go up. There you go. Yep. All right, I think you're up.
Here she comes. Here she goes again.
Go ahead, army crawling there.
Okay. Alright, spin. Where did he go?
Oh, my bad.
I assume it's supposed to just go straight in because...
Yeah.
Alright, try to go now because I'm going to hold it. Just go slow. Okay. There we go, perfect.
All right.
You have a...
Ratchet?
Yeah, a ratchet.
Yeah.
And a wrench because...
Oh, because of the backside?
Yeah.
Same size?
Yes.
All right.
There the other one go.
Jocelyn.
Hey. Right there. Oh my god. Go on. Go on.
Flip the wrench if you can't get it that way. There you go.
There you go. So we got the whole drive shaft in. You can see over here. All the way down there. But I can't see. All the way down there. Awesome.
Thanks, Jocelyn. That's the next purchase. Get a dirt bike.